Welcome back to Sunrise. Now listen, there's definitely been a thread running throughout this morning's show, and that's one of hope. Here now to sing for us Climb Every Mountain is Gerard Hall.
Dream that's